In a dark alleyway, a cat found is very sick, thin, hungry, and tired. She is a tiny kitten.
I'm so sorry, my child. I'm exhausted. We don't have food to eat. Go, find your way. Find your home. Goodbye.
Cat Mom said.
It's only me.
Said the kitten.
I'm so sorry. It's time for me to leave. I love you, my child.
Cat Mom said.
I love you too, Mom. No!
They cried and hugged each other.
I love you, little one. Mom, don't leave
The
me.
little kitten, separated from her mother, struggled to survive amidst the cold rain, alone, scared and hungry. She had nowhere to go. One evening, an elderly woman named Stella was crossing the street when she heard a kitten crying.
Hey, kitty cat. Why are you all alone on the streets? You're so tiny and dark.
She said, offering the kitten some food. From that day on, Stella made sure to feed the kitten every time she comes home from work. As their bond grew, Stella decided it was time to take the kitten home. naming her Little Mia. Overjoyed, little Mia settled into her new home with Stella, where she was well fed, pampered, and loved. Years had passed, and the elderly woman had fallen ill and passed away. But Mia remained by her side. Until the very end. Meanwhile, Stella's family had abandoned her, leaving her to then focus on back on the streets. Overcome grief and fear, Mia prayed fervently, hoping to find her way back home someday. She stepped on a fragile wooden slab and fell, disturbing the sleeping feral cat. The black feral cat, furious at being awakened, bit Mia and shouted angrily.
This is my territory! You shouldn't be here! Don't mess with me. I don't need your control over me. Leave me alone, I survive without you. You stay away, don't come closer around. Alright, don't mess with me. I don't need your control over me. Leave me alone, I survive without you. You stay away, don't come closer around. Alright,
Terrified, Mia defended herself and fought back, but was too weak to fight for her life, and she decided to run from Tiffany. In doing so, she accidentally disturbed other cats, which chased and attacked her as well. Poor Mia was weak, fractured, and bleeding from her wounds. The commotion disturbed the neighbors, who went outside to see what was happening and saw the cats fighting and screaming. They called the animal rescue team to minimize the situation. Suddenly, a strange noise like a siren grew louder as it drew near. Cat rescue officers caught and caged nearly all the cats, including Mina. But Feral was smart enough to escape, including the other stray.